hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me. Listen, girl, when you can't even hide it, and it didn't take forever to find it. I was all on my own, almost glad to be alone until love came in on time, on time. So loving is easy, you have me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy.
Ito na, totoo na yan. Hey, Mark. Oh.
Ramdam kong crush niya ako. Type niya ako that time.
In general, gusto ko maging masaya. Maging masaya siya kasi this is her day.
I love you, Francis!
And maging masaya kami kasi this is our day. And yung celebration will be shared with family and friends. Sana masaya lahat.
Love came in on time, oh, on time. Loving is easy, you had me fucked up. It used to be so hard to see. Yeah, loving is easy when everything's perfect. Please don't change a single little thing for me.
Nag-meet kami, actually yung first talagang moment na nagkilala kami is dun sa hallway sa office. So, yun, sabi ko nga dito, malilate na ako. Tapos siya nakaharang sa daan. So, hindi ako makalusot. Parang pag ganun-ganun ako and siya, nakatalikod kasi siya, so hindi niya alam. So,
I said sorry and smiled at you. And I remember how kind and light you were. There was something about you that made me feel na mabuti kang tao. Bakit si Francis? Maraming traits si Francis sa totoo lang, pero yung pinaka nag-shine for me is yung kahit tough times, hindi niya ako iniwan. All of your broken chords, cut by another's words. It's time to let it go. And fill your cup.
Francis, do you take Lenra here present for your lawful wife according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to her as her husband?
Yes, I do.
Do you accept her as your lawful wife?
Yes, I do.
Magtiwala lang sa sarili.
Tiwala sa sarili.
God bless. Good luck. Lenra, do you take Francis here present for your lawful husband according to the rite of our Holy Mother, the Church?
Yes, I do.
Do you give yourself to him as his wife?
Yes, I do.
We were strangers in different worlds with no friends or acquaintances in common. But when God moves, the right person will come. Kung para sa'yo, para sa'yo. And everything that's meant for you will come its way with ease. She is very fierce and very driven. So yun yung pinakagusto ko sa kanya. So marami siyang pangarap and natutuwa ako na unti-unti niyang na-achieve yung mga pangarap niyang yun.
pa nung naging tayo, January 18, 2015. Nasa Rojas Boulevard tayo kasama family mo, umuulan at nag-aabang sa pagdaan ni Pope Francis. Naisip ko dahil kapangalan mo si Pope, blessing yun for me. At ikaw talaga yung tinadhana para sa akin.
Hindi lamang ito isang seremonya, kundi isang sakramento. Ang inyong pag-iisang dibdib ay nagiging buhay na tanda ng tapat at walang hanggang pag-ibig ng Diyos sa kaniyang bayan.
Doon nagsimula yung kwento natin, unti-unti kitang nakilala, yung puso mo, yung paraan mong magmahal, at yung klase ng taong ikaw. At kahit noon pa man, alam ko sa sarili ko na magiging mabuting asawa ka balang araw.
Oo, halo-halo na eh. Halo-halo na. Excitement ka ba? Kahit matagal na kami magkasama, iba pa rin eh. Iba pa rin pag maglalakad na sa simbahan.
I promise to keep choosing you, to keep growing with you, and to never stop finding reasons to love you. Today and in all the days to come, I will still choose you. You are my home, my comfort, and truly my greatest bliss.
I love you, anak. Magmamahalang kayo.
In today's world, many people believe that commitments are temporary and promises can easily be broken. But your marriage today proclaims something different. Without saying a single word, your faithful love becomes a witness that lifelong commitment is still possible because God's grace is real.
I am so excited and grateful for the life we will build together after this day, for all the memories we will create, the challenges we will overcome, and the dreams we will achieve side by side. I love you, my love.
I love you too.
Hi, love! Andito na tayo. So, I really hope that we continue to grow. We continue to choose us. And at the same time, kahit ano man nang mangyari, tayo at tayo pa rin. And last one, of course, sana na separate mo na ang white sa decolor sa laundry basket.